Hey everyone, welcome back to Video Body, Mind and Soul. If you remember, last week I had actually posted a Moroccan inspired chickpea and sweet potato stew, and I used these preserved lemons which actually gave that incredible taste. These are very flavorful. I have some left over, so what I thought is I will convert it into a Indian hot lime pickle. I call this pickle burst lemon pickle, and you will know in a little while why it's called that. So let's get started. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and remember to follow me on Instagram at Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul channel for more health and wellness tips. Let's get started. So the first step in making any pickle is to make sure that you don't contaminate the pickle with bacteria from your hands. So make sure that your hands are cleanly washed. So what we are going to do now is we're just going to have to take these preserved lemons. So preserved lemons are nothing but lemons that are actually preserved in brine, which is a salt water solution. So this is an instant pickle because it has cut short that fermenting time. So what we're going to do is I've just picked the pickle up there, then make a hole like a cross. So just enough to open it up, then pick up the chili powder and squeeze it through. I'm not wearing gloves because I couldn't find them. Remember to wear gloves. I'm using quite strong chili powder. You can also use mild chili powder if you want. That's it. And continue to do the same with all the other lemons as well. This is how they look. Don't worry about all those chili powder that's hanging by the side. I'm going to add some paprika on top just to add a bit more color and body to the pickle. To a pan on high heat, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This is the untoasted variety of the Indian sesame oil. If you don't have it, just use olive oil. Once the oil is warm, add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. Then add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds and saute for about 10 seconds for it to brown, and then add half a teaspoon of asafoetida. I tend to cover the pan partially with the lid to stop the mustard from flying all over the place. Drop the lemons that you prepared one by one in the oil, and then take 50 to 100 ml of the leftover pickling liquid and add that to the bowl where you prepared the lemons. Mix it all up and pour into the pan where you're cooking the pickle. Cover and cook for about 3 minutes. That's it, the pickle is done. Usually Indian pickles tend to contain a lot of oil. Here we used only 1 tablespoon, and the rest of the oiliness comes from the essential oils released from the skin of the lemon. So you can also reduce the oil to even 1 teaspoon. However, if you want more gravyish part to your pickle, add another 50 to 100 ml and cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Then open the lid and let it reduce for 30 seconds. That's it. These lemons have now burst, and that is why we call them burst Indian hot lime pickle. A beautiful, fragrant and yummy Indian burst hot lime pickle is now ready to enjoy. Oh my god, this pickle is so yummy, and the fragrance that comes when you actually cook it is so amazing. So I really hope you enjoy making this simple recipe. So including fermented foods in your diet is really a good idea. It will help to diversify the gut microbiome, which is responsible for our physical and mental health. However, when you actually cook it and the temperatures reach over 40 degrees centigrade, the probiotic bacteria will die. However, whatever nutrients that has been generated because of the fermentation process will still be better than actually eating a food that is not fermented previously. So go ahead, try this and let me know what you think about it. That's it from me today. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.